Are you looking for the best commercial steam cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the best commercial steam cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Duprey Hill Injection Commercial Steam Cleaner. The Duprey Hill Injection Commercial Steam Cleaner is designed for home and work. It is a commercial-grade steam cleaner that will clean your home carpets just as well as your office ones, and get all of your furniture clean. With steam temperatures of up to 347 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, this steam cleaner is perfect for getting into deep stains and removing dirt that could not be removed before. You also have steam control for precision cleaning and a dual tank system so you do not waste time refilling and heating. The 20 ounces detergent tank is integrated, again to save time when cleaning, and the entire double tank system will heat and be ready to go in under 8 minutes. When you do get cleaning, you will have a 27-piece accessory set at your disposal, including hoses, tool attachments, extension tubes, pads, brushes, scrapers, and a lot more. The digital interface will constantly update you on steam temperature, pressure, and any maintenance issues. The generous cord is almost 15 long, with an integrated cord wrap. Everything is designed to make cleaning easier and keep you cleaning longer, getting the job done without having to stop to refill or reheat. Made in Italy, this commercial-grade steam cleaner is powerful and easy to use. Number 2. Vapamore Mr. 1000 Commercial Steam Cleaning System. The Vapamore Mr. 1000 is often used in hotels, hospitals, restaurants, and by pest control contractors, but don't let that fool you. This commercial-grade steam cleaner is excellent for any size of home, and is only used by the professionals due to how powerful and effective it is. You can take that power into your own hands. You have 90 psi at your disposal with up to 280 degrees Fahrenheit of steam cleaning power. The 1900-watt heating element is powerful and quick, taking the waiting time out of the cleaning process, and letting you clean when you want to. When you do clean, you have 50 accessories and attachments to choose from. The smaller brushes are great for grout lines and pet cages, while the larger brushes and pads work wonders for mattresses. Add into that multiple brushes, nozzles, scrapers, adapters, and squeegees, and you have everything that you need to clean and sanitize your home. The 3-gallon water tank keeps you going for longer and gives you adjustable steam outputs as you move between tasks. The continuous flow gives you no downtime, and that is especially important when you are tackling the toughest jobs, like your grill, vehicle, garage, or outdoor furniture and patio. The Italian parts and construction offer excellent durability and sanitizing power. Disinfect your entire home and more with this powerful steam cleaner. Number 3. Vapor Systems VX5000 Steam Cleaner and Steam Mop. The Vapor Systems VX5000 commercial-grade steam cleaner is small but powerful. It has been designed to be the perfect system for sanitizing and cleaning your vehicle, but is just at home everywhere else. Use it in your home, outdoors, garage, and wherever else you need to clean. With 65 psi and 298 degrees Fahrenheit, this steam cleaner will not leave your carpets, mats, and furniture wet, the high temperature helping to dry your surfaces as you work. One of the best features of this cleaner is that you can switch on the steam instead of using a trigger. Flick the switch and you are good to do. If you are detailing your car, you need to get into all the nooks, and the multiple attachments and adjusters will get you there. There are various nozzles, brushes, squeegees, and more. The pressure gauge will alert you when the pressure drops, and you can also easily switch between hot water and hot steam by adjusting the water valve. This chemical-free cleaner is compact enough to seamlessly fit into your life. It has the attachments and size to get into the smallest areas of your vehicle, but the power to clean and sanitize your entire home too. With a 2-year warranty, this durable product is going to last. A small yet powerful cleaner for your car and home. Number 4. Vapamore Mr. 750 Automo Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. The Vapamore Mr. 750 Automo is an impressive, quality-built steam cleaner. Featuring a large 4L full stainless steel boiler, it's designed to last longer. The boiler itself is heated by a powerful 1600-watt heating element, which ensures owners get their cleaning done quicker. No more waiting around for the boiler to heat up to sanitize and clean carpets, furniture, upholstery, and more. Cleaning with this steam cleaner is completely chemical-free, saving owners money and ensuring minimal wear and corrosion to interior parts. Every Vapamore Mr. 750 Automo heavy-duty steam cleaner comes with a lifetime guarantee against manufacturer defects, both for its boiler, body, and other parts. Other key features include a solenoid-operated steam control, water-level dipstick, pressure gauge, and adjustable steam output. Plus, the Vapamore Mr. 750 comes with all the accessories needed to get started. A hose, extender, steam head, jug, mopping cover, and 10+ attachments for various cleaning tasks, for example. Number 5. Sargent Steam Registered Trademark Symbol Cleaner Cleaning System. The Sargent Steam Registered Trademark Symbol commercial grade steam cleaner is perfect for industrial jobs, but also great around the home. It has immense steam cleaning power and can get rid of all types of bacteria from your surfaces. The 68 pound of steam pressure can generate almost 300 degrees Fahrenheit of piping hot steam that gets deep into grout and tile lines. It is the perfect heavy-duty steam cleaner for stoves, barbecues, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, patios, cars, and other high-traffic areas. With 17 attachments, you have everything that you need to deep clean your entire home and more. There are no chemicals needed with the amount of heat that this machine can generate. The heat also means that drying time is cut down, and you can get back to using your floors and surfaces before you know it. Get rid of your mop, rags, water buckets, and everything else, and replace them with this. With intuitive user experience, you can clean from floor level to ceiling, and beyond. A wonderful little machine that will clean through anything.